How many of you here know this puzzle? Hanoi Tower. In this puzzle, you have 3 rows and several discs of different size. Your mission is to move all of these discs from one row to another. Sounds easy, right? But you have to follow 2 rules. Number 1, only one disc can be moved at a time. Number 2, a disc can only be placed on top of a larger disc or an empty row. Next, I will show you some examples. Okay, one disc, A to C. 2 discs. Okay. A to B, A to C, then B to C. Okay, next. Okay, 3 discs. Let's do the math. Please repeat me if you have got it. Okay? Go. A to C, A to B, next C to B, and the next A to C, next B to A, and B to C, and A to C. Okay, let's see. We are finished. Only 7 stays. Okay. But maybe you think it's not a rocket science, a piece of cake. But everything will change when you increase the number of the discs. And please remember this sequence. Next, I will show you my program, written in C language. Okay, 3 discs. 4 discs, and finally 5 discs. Okay. Well, I know the C language is an old guy, just like me. Today, you have a lot of choice, like Java, Python, even Julia, but C is still work. Okay. Compare this, please go back. Compare this sequence is the same. It match. Okay? Okay, next. I will show my code C language with key part highlighted in red. You will notice my code is quite simple. But here is the thing. What's n minus 1? What's 1? What's n minus 1 again? Okay? This conception is called recursion in math. Okay. Let's define A sub 1 is equal to the state of 1 disk. A sub 2, A sub 2 is equal to the state of 2 disks, and so on. So, A sub 1 is equal to 1, no doubt. It's very easy. So, A sub 2 is equal to 3. But I want to write 1 plus 1 plus 1. Why? Because A sub 2 is equal to A sub 1 plus 1 plus A sub 1. Why should I do that? It's so complicated. Let's keep going. A sub 3 is equal to A sub 2 plus 1 plus A sub 2. Did you get it? Okay, next. Let's do the math again. How about A sub 4? A sub 4 is equal A sub 3 plus 1 equal A sub 3. And A sub 5 is the same A sub 4 plus 1 plus A sub 4. So this is so-called recursion in math. You can do that again, and again. Okay, next. This chart is what I want to say today. Math, algorithm, AI. Okay? Gus, my favorite. He once said, mathematics is the queen of the science, and the arithmetic as the queen of the mathematics. But Gauss was not British, right? Does anyone know where Gauss was from? So he was German. Okay, so I got a source text from the wiki. Let's play. Please play the. Okay. Since German is now our first language, maybe English is better for our understanding. I'll show it to you again. Okay, finally, it's okay if you don't remember everything I said today. But there is only one thing you have to remember. Math is everywhere. You know what? Since we are WMI, I guess my speech fee is okay when I show this sentence on screen. Okay, words is very important in our world, even in our daily life. Anyway, I have got to hurry. Math is everywhere. Thank you everybody, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chen, for the inspirational lecture.
让我们感谢陈老师带来的精彩演讲。
Let's give a pause and welcome Mr. Kai Viet Long, the team leader from Hong Kong Department of Educational and Training in Vietnam, to give a math lecture.